Well, welcome back, awesome people. And as you know, we have a series on how to get over being shy in front of that camera or how to start your YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about the ins and outs of once we get started with our channel, we sit down and we are ready to move forward. So if you missed the first part of this series, be sure and check out the channel because I did a video on how I got started with my YouTube channel and how I got over being shy in front of the camera. So today we want to move forward for part 2 of the series of what to do when we are ready for YouTube. So if that is something you are interested in, keep watching. Well, hello, awesome people, and welcome back to this series. We have a 5-part series on how to get over being shy in front of the camera, how to start your YouTube channel, and even with how to get videos and start showing up on your YouTube or besides YouTube or your social media, your reels. But today I want to talk about the second part of the series after we've decided to get our equipment, we've decided on our topic, we've decided on the place where we're going to be, the time, all of that's in the first video. What do we do now that we're sitting down at our computer? So grab that pen, grab that paper. Hope you subscribe to our channel because I'm going to give this series plus a whole lot more that you're going to be happy to see for building your brand, growing your business. So once we sit down at our computer, which is what I do after I have created my video, and like I said, you can batch 2 or 3, so you'll have at least 3 weeks worth of video. Then you can sit down for your editing. Either number 1, you're going to edit your video yourself. And I talked about one to share up in Aura. You can look that up. Or you're going to have a video editor. Maybe someone you found on Fiverr. If you know you're not going to edit them yourself, and it's going to take you weeks, just pay. So let's say you are going to edit your video. So when I sit down at my YouTube channel and I open up YouTube, okay? So I open up my YouTube and I go through all of the things that YouTube wants, the title, the description, the thumbnails, the tags, and all of that. We're going to talk about that. So I will go through all of that and I lower it and I go to Canva. And that's why I make my thumbnails at Canva. So when you go to canva.com, you go to the search bar and you type in YouTube thumbnail. This is what I did. And all of these templates come up. So I usually take lots of pictures of myself and upload them to my Canva. That way I have pictures for my thumbnail. Now your thumbnails are best with 2 things, your picture and some words, okay? So, but you don't give away the title on the thumbnail. So when you get ready to go to Canva and you look at all these thumbnails, you want to pick your brand colors. I like that idea. Like my brand colors are pink and purple and blue. And most of my things are pink, purple, and blue on all of my channels. So it kind of gives me a brand consistency. So I'll go and look for a template and then it'll say choose this template and I can start customizing it. I have a paid version of Canva, but you can do the free version too. And so I may change the colors. I may bring in a picture of me that I have uploaded, maybe something fun like I've done this or I've done this or I've done this or I'm like this, just crazy stuff. Just different pictures that I took selfies and things with my phone. I pull that picture into the thumbnail and then I put maybe 5 words on the thumbnail, but you don't give away the topic. I might say, do this to build your brand or avoid this mistake, something like that. So that's what I do on the thumbnail. Save it, download it to my computer. Then I go back to YouTube. I can upload my thumbnail. Now in the title, then the title will have something like this: how to get over being shy in front of the camera or how to get started on YouTube. Okay, that's your title. You want those keywords in there so people will know what they're going to get. And they're like, oh, this video is going to be how to start a YouTube channel. And then you can put some hashtags in your title, like hashtag branding tips or something like that. And then for my description, you want to put a lot because you want to think about keywords and YouTube wants people to stay on the channel, so you want people to read it. So you can go to AI and ask AI to help you with a description to put in the YouTube description box. And so you put your description, you can put your social media links in the description. You can put your freebie, your lead magnet, so people can download it and get a taste of you. You get their emails in your description. You want to put what the video is about in your description. You can put ways to work with you in your description. All of that can go in the description. And then you want your tags, okay? Tags are words that people will find you and find your content on YouTube. I like TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy, I have TubeBuddy downloaded to my YouTube, and it'll give me tags, okay? Hashtags, tags that people are looking for. So you want to put your tags in there. You have your description, you have your title, you have your thumbnail, and then it's going to go down and you're going to say, this content is not for kids. It doesn't have anything bad in the content. Now there are other parts also. So you can go to add cards or add some screen things that you can have in your video. It'll say add that. TubeBuddy helps to make that very easy, where you can add cards to your video, end screens to your video, all of those things. So now you have your title, your description, your tags, your end screens, that when people are watching a video and it may suggest another one. And you also want to create playlist, okay? So I can create a playlist called How to Get Over Being Shy in Front of the Camera. And all of my series will go in that playlist. That helps you to be found too. So now you've done all of this, putting all of that information into your YouTube. Now, hopefully you've already edited your video. I talked about that in the first series. So go and watch that first series. And so now you are ready and excited, right, about uploading your video. Now, the good thing about it is that you can copy and paste some of the stuff for your description, so you don't have to make it new every time. You could save your social links. You could save ways to work with you. You could save your freebie link. You could save anything, anything that you might want people to know about something that's coming up, ways to work with you, all of that. You could save it and put that in every description. Okay, every description, and put your email, put that in every description, right? And so that's something you don't have to keep making. And then you can publish it then, or you can set a time. Now, the best times, according to HubSpot, to send a video, and it's different times. It's Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. It might be 2 p.m. Some say Sundays are good, Sunday mornings. But try to see what works well for you. And now you got your video out there. And you're like, wow, I got my video. And then you repeat every week. You repeat. Never forget putting in a good title. Never forget making a thumbnail. Never forget putting great information in the description. Never forget the tag. Never forget that, okay? It may take you about 30 minutes or 20 minutes to do that and upload a video. So how long does it take to get videos up after you make a video? It's about maybe 15, 20 minutes. You edit a video if you're going to edit it yourself. That may be 30 an hour. You get your description, get your video up. So that's why I like to say do 2 videos. Copy and paste, save things. If you're going to do the editing, make time for that. If not, outsource that. So that way you can at least get at least 1 video up a week. So I hope that these tips have helped you on getting that video up on YouTube and getting it out. Our next series is going to be on promoting your video. So we talked about getting started. We talked about sitting down with YouTube. We're going to talk about promoting your video, and we're also going to talk about other ways to get over being shy. We're going to talk about different types of content to come up with week after week. And then eventually we're going to talk about monetizing your channel. You don't need thousands of people to monetize. You can get brand sponsors with just 500 followers. You can monetize, sell your book, your course, your mini course. We're going to talk about all of that. So hopefully you'll stick around for our series. You will subscribe, hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And every time we do a video, you will be notified. So don't forget, as I always say, the secret sauce to your success is you.